Is your MacBook Neo suddenly totally unresponsive? If your screen is frozen on a specific app, or it's not working on the whole screen, and you can't move the cursor or even restart, follow these steps to quickly fix the issue and get back to work. Stuck on a specific app, but everything else seems to work outside the window? Click on the Apple logo, then select Force Quit. Choose the app along with any other unresponsive windows and click Force Quit a couple of times if needed. Then relaunch the app and check if it's working properly. More often than not, low battery can slow down the screen performance, so plug your MacBook Neo into a charger. Still having the problem? It could be due to storage issues or too many startup items. If a lot of heavy apps launch at startup, it can slow things down and cause the screen to lag. Make sure you have enough available storage for smooth performance. To clear startup items, open Settings and search for Login Items. From the results, select Login Items and Extensions. Go through the list, and if there are too many apps, select them one by one and click the minus icon to remove them from startup. If that's not your issue and the whole screen is unresponsive and you can't even restart, press and hold the power button for 10 to 12 seconds to forcefully shut it down. Once the screen goes black, press the power button again to turn it back on. If there's no serious problem, your screen should now work smoothly. Thanks, and take care.